The International Monetary Fund has projected a positive economic outlook for PNG after the recovery from the recent pandemic. In its March country report number 23 over 126, IMF projects that growth in 2023 be 3.7%, driven by the non-resource sector, while growth in 2024 is projected to accelerate to 4.4%, driven by the expected reopening of the Porgera gold mine. The post-pandemic recovery has also been supported by higher commodity prices, raising fiscal and export revenues, while causing domestic inflation to rise. The medium-term outlook is positive. There are good prospects of new investments in the resource sector, which would boost growth, exports, and fiscal revenue collection. However, IMF states that PNG is vulnerable to both domestic and external shocks, which is worsened by the build-up in public debt, ongoing foreign exchange shortages, and capacity constraints that impact the government's ability to formulate and implement development policies. It is recommended that authorities accelerate structural reforms to achieve resilient, inclusive, and sustainable growth. Debt vulnerabilities will be addressed by sustaining ongoing fiscal consolidation efforts while creating space to tackle development needs and preserve social spending. To reduce foreign exchange shortages, it is recommended that the government is committed to strengthening central bank operations and moving gradually to a market-clearing exchange rate. The IMF says to foster greater transparency and accountability and strengthen the investment climate, the government will build on recent improvements to the anti-corruption and governance frameworks and make them effective. Freddie Mo, TV1 News.